YouTube, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we have a Warrior head. We're going to show you what's included in this box when we're back, so stay tuned. We're back. All right. A lot of you guys know the infamous Pentair Warrior cleaner. Pretty sweet cleaner. We'll show you pictures of the whole thing here, maybe an insert of a video of what it looks like in a pool, something cool. But yeah, we have the Warrior head. Part number is going to be 360325 from Pentair. As many of you know, pool cleaners come all-inclusive. Comes with the hoses, comes with a bunch of parts in it. If you're curious what the entire cleaner comes with, check out our link below. We actually have a what's in the box on the entire Pentair Warrior pool cleaner. But today, this is just the head, the actual complete cleaning head. So this is huge. So if you guys want to save some money, if you have good hoses, you want to reuse them, and all you need is the actual cleaning head itself, this is what you want. So let's open this thing up. Let's take a look. And shablow! You have a brand new working Warrior cleaner head. Like, it comes with everything. So there's guts inside. Let's take it up. See if I remember how to do this. So as you can see, it is a working cleaner head. So this thing, solid. Like, it's the whole dang shaboodle. You know what I mean? So, you guys, it doesn't get much simpler than this. This is a very short, simple video. So if you guys want to save some bucks, get a Warrior cleaning head. It's just a cleaning head only, just like this. Comes with a warranty and everything attached to it from Pentair. Take it out. The links are below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button today. I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.